Hi guys, so today we're going to be talking about how to clean a Dusk MoodMist Diffuser. This is the Lunar Mood Mist in the black. And to clean it's quite simple, but I'm going to show you how to do a proper full maintenance in case you're having any issues such as excess smoke coming out of the diffusing hole there. Alright, so I'm going to take this off. And this as well. Now these two you could probably just clean warm soapy water in the sink or give them a good wipe down. To give the maintenance, we are going to be taking out the ceramic plate that's in here and the silicone ring that's underneath. Dusk usually sells a tool that you can do this with, but I have a 10-cent piece as they suggest you can use instead if you don't have the tool. And what you're going to do is you're going to stick this 10-cent piece into those grooves there to untwist the metal ring holding that disc in place. If this is your first time cleaning or doing maintenance on the diffuser, it might take a bit more strength to actually unscrew this. I've already had a go at doing this, so it wasn't that tight for me. So there's your metal ring. Now to remove your ceramic plate, it can be quite difficult for the first time, so you may want to use a butter knife or a steak knife to get these last two pieces out, as they're quite well fitted in this diffuser bowl. And what you want to do is you want to wedge gently the knife in and peel it out like that. Again, easier for me as I've already attempted to do it and just had mine resting there. Again, you want to get the silicone ring out too, which again, nice and easy for me as I already took it out previously. Here you've got the inside and possibly a lot of oil residue that you need to clean and remove to ensure your diffuser is working at its best. And for this you can use some cotton tips or Q-tips if you're watching this in America. And I'm going to dip mine in vinegar to clean these. We'll come back and see how good it looks. I have now cleaned the diffuser and all the pieces and parts to do with it. I've just warm soapy washed these. You can't tell too much of a difference down here, but looking at the Q-tips, cotton tips, if it wants to go into focus, they are quite yellow and gross with oil residue. So it definitely did do a good clean. And now we are going to put it back together. It's quite simple. Your silicone ring. Use your ring again if you're not your knife, sorry, if you're not confident that it's in there properly. And then your silicone, your ceramic plate. It does not look clean, but I believe that is just a silver ring around the outside. I gave it a bit of a soak and a wipe down and it stayed the same. So I'm assuming it's just part of the ceramic plate itself. That sits on top, like so. And you screw your plate back on. I'm quite sure that a proper tool for this is much more easy to use than a coin, but the coin does the trick. There you go. It's back in and looks pretty new. So now I'm off to add the Florence scent Mood Mist from Dusk. Very tropical summer fruits smell. So let's see how it smells.